Hey YouTube, I'm going to try to teach, this is more of a beginner friendly song, so it's called Untogether. There's a verse and a chorus. Let's go over how to play it. Starts on the A chord. Okay, we're just pressing down strings 4, 3, 2, 2nd fret. Use 2 fingers or 3 fingers or 1 finger, just as long as you don't have to play the high E though, but you should play the 5th string, the open A. I was friendly. It goes to E. Okay, first finger on the G string on the 1st fret. A and D strings on the 2nd fret. You play the low E. Then it goes to G. Just this is the only part where it goes to G. This is where Who Insisted on Touching My Face. Then it finishes on D. Let's just go over the G. Middle finger on the A string at the 2nd fret, ring finger on the low E on the 3rd fret, and then pinky on the 3rd fret on the high E. Play all 6 strings. Then it goes to D. You're gonna play you're on the 2nd fret. You're gonna play the G and the high E with your pointer finger and your middle finger, and then with your ring finger you're going to place it on the B string on the 3rd fret. You play 4 strings, or if you want to add in the A string, that will go too. And that I believe them, D, B7, till the endings, we're changing endings before back to the D. So it's B7 is sandwiched between 2 D chords. The B7 is D string on the 1st fret with your pointer, middle finger on the A string on the 2nd fret, and D on the G string. We're going to play the 2nd fret with our ring finger. Now we're just going to play strings 5, 4, 3, 2. So you don't have to do anything with your pinky. Right? If you wanted to put your pinky in there, you could put it on the high E at the 2nd fret. But you don't have to. And all right. So that's all the chords, and then let's talk about the rhythm. Mostly in this song, every chord gets 2 beats of 4. 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. So each one you could count, 8 beats. But when we get to the chorus, so just to finish up with the verse, the chords for the verse, just to summarize, so everyone has an A, E, friendly with this girl, G, who insisted on touching my face, D. Then you have a little part of the D where you're just not singing. Then it goes A, it begins, she told outrageous stories, E. This time it doesn't go to the G, it just goes back to the D. I believe them. Then we go to the B7 till the endings. changing from endings before. Back to the D. So D, B7, D, and then A. She's not touching me. E anymore. D. And you then after you say anymore, you still stay on the D for like 4 more beats. Then on the A, you go 4 beats before you start singing. 2, 3, 4. Untogether. You play the D. No vocals. Couldn't help it. I got hard. A to E on those lines. You can try your whole life. Back to D. But you can't save D and save lovely. Untogether. Again, you sing on together and then you play another 4 beats of the D. Then it goes to A and the verse begins. So just to summarize on the chorus coming out of she's not touching me anymore. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On together. Again, on the D, you're not singing it. I couldn't help it. You're not singing anything on the D. Wait till you get to the A. I couldn't help it. I got hard. And then back to the D. I can say you can try your life, but you can't. So from just like the verse, from the D goes to the B7. You can't save the unsavably. Untogether, back to D. So both times you get the B7, it's always sandwiched between D chords. And that's because they're kind of related. They're like cousin chords. And then, so you can't save the B7, save lovely. Untogether. Then play 4 more beats of it. 2, 2, 3, 4. I was shipwrecked with this frog. Okay, and then the pattern repeats. I think they do play a little guitar solo after the second verse and chorus. Okay, yeah, the solo is played on a slide guitar, but you could play it without a slide. It's pretty accessible. They're playing right out of this D chord. They're kind of playing notes out of that. So we're just playing on the B string mostly, starting on the 2nd fret. Go 2nd, 3rd, 5th. So, and then it starts with open. And maybe you could throw in the open D. And then I think it repeats. Something like that. So definitely a good one to practice for a beginner. It's very melodic, because it's being played out of chords. Okay, that's pretty much everything I have to say about playing that song. It's kind of easy to play on the guitar, but you gotta wait sometimes to sing the lyrics. A lot of the song you just has some space in it. Well, so you gotta wait. So it's a good one to work on your playing and singing. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.